Adapting to evolving AI regulations. Adapting to evolving AI regulations requires a deep understanding of the current regulatory landscape, combined with the ability to forecast and respond to changes effectively. This lesson aims to provide professionals with actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications to navigate and adapt to the dynamic regulatory environment surrounding artificial intelligence. The focus is on equipping professionals with the skills necessary to address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in this subject. The first step in adapting to evolving AI regulations is understanding the current regulatory framework. Global AI regulations vary significantly, with different countries and regions adopting diverse approaches. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation is one of the most comprehensive data protection and privacy regulations worldwide. It has significant implications for AI systems that process personal data. The GDPR mandates transparency, accountability, and data minimization principles, which AI developers must integrate into their systems. Understanding such regulations is crucial for compliance and for anticipating future regulatory trends. One practical tool for navigating AI regulations is the use of impact assessment frameworks. Conducting an AI impact assessment involves evaluating the potential risks and benefits of an AI system, considering factors such as privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability. The AI impact assessment framework, developed by the European Union, is a valuable resource for this purpose. It provides a structured approach to assessing the ethical and legal implications of AI systems, helping organizations identify compliance gaps and address them proactively. By implementing such frameworks, organizations can ensure that their AI systems align with regulatory requirements and ethical standards. Another critical aspect of adapting to AI regulations is the development of robust data governance practices. Data is the lifeblood of AI systems, and its management is subject to stringent regulatory scrutiny. Organizations must establish comprehensive data governance frameworks that encompass data collection, storage, processing, and sharing. A practical tool for achieving this is the Data Management Body of Knowledge, which provides guidelines for effective data governance. By adopting DMBOK principles, organizations can ensure data quality, integrity, and security, thereby minimizing regulatory risks and enhancing compliance. To further navigate evolving AI regulations, professionals should leverage AI ethics guidelines and frameworks. The IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems provides a set of ethical principles and guidelines for AI development and deployment. These guidelines emphasize transparency, accountability, and fairness, which are key considerations in regulatory compliance. By integrating these ethical principles into AI systems, organizations can enhance trust and demonstrate a commitment to responsible AI use. A practical example of these principles in action is the case of a major technology company that implemented an AI ethics board to oversee its AI projects. This board, composed of internal and external experts, reviews AI initiatives for compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. The board's recommendations have led to the modification of several AI systems to address potential biases and enhance transparency. This proactive approach not only ensures compliance, but also builds public trust in the company's AI technologies. In addition to ethical frameworks, organizations can benefit from adopting AI governance models. The AI governance framework, developed by the World Economic Forum, provides a comprehensive approach to managing AI systems throughout their lifecycle. This framework encompasses governance structures, risk management processes, and stakeholder engagement strategies. By implementing such governance models, organizations can enhance their ability to adapt to regulatory changes and mitigate potential risks. An essential step in adapting to evolving AI regulations is fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation within organizations. AI regulations are dynamic, and staying informed about new developments is crucial for compliance. Professionals should engage in ongoing education and training programs to stay abreast of regulatory changes and emerging trends. Participating in industry conferences, workshops, and seminars can provide valuable insights into the latest regulatory developments and best practices. Moreover, collaboration with industry peers and regulatory bodies can enhance an organization's ability to adapt to evolving regulations. By participating in industry associations and working groups, organizations can influence regulatory discussions and contribute to the development of industry standards. Engaging with regulators through consultations and dialogues can provide valuable feedback and insights, helping organizations align their AI systems with regulatory expectations. To illustrate the importance of collaboration, consider the case of a multinational corporation that partnered with regulatory bodies to develop industry-specific AI guidelines. This collaboration resulted in the creation of sector-specific regulations that addressed unique challenges and considerations, ensuring compliance while fostering innovation. Such collaborative efforts demonstrate the benefits of proactive engagement with regulators and industry peers. Finally, organizations should leverage technological tools to enhance their compliance efforts. AI-based compliance monitoring systems can automate the process of tracking regulatory changes and assessing their impact on AI systems. These systems use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to analyze regulatory texts, identify relevant changes, and provide actionable insights. By implementing such tools, organizations can streamline their compliance processes and reduce the risk of non-compliance. In conclusion, adapting to evolving AI regulations requires a comprehensive approach that combines regulatory understanding, ethical frameworks, data governance practices, continuous learning, collaboration, and technological tools. By leveraging impact assessment frameworks, data governance guidelines, ethics principles, governance models, and AI-based compliance monitoring systems, professionals can navigate the complex regulatory landscape and ensure compliance with evolving AI regulations. The ability to adapt to regulatory changes not only mitigates risks, but also enhances trust and reputation, positioning organizations for success in the rapidly advancing field of artificial intelligence.